Okay, now this is actually, see if I got a tag on it. It's a 82 degree, which is 82 degrees is the angle of the bolt that's going to go in there. And when you look up the bolt specs tells you how large the head is, but it also tells you the angle, and that's a standard apparently in an industry. It's an 82 degree, which matches the bit. Now this is a steel workers type of thing, so this is I can actually use on steel, you know, metal, right? All regular hard steel, or mild steel or aluminum, whatever. But it also works on wood. And then this one is a little more expensive. It has that, basically it's a guide hole, so that fits into it just kind of helps you keep things lined up a little bit. It just so it doesn't jump off to the side. Not a huge deal, but now this one I normally would mount it in a drill press, but I'm going to be, because I'm going to be doing some stuff away from the shop here, I'm going to go ahead and put this on a regular drill. I think I might want to clamp the wood because I'm going to be putting a fair amount of pressure on there, so I can just put my clamp anywhere here. Again, the guide helps keep it centered. And all I'm doing is taking it to the max. And then I even went a little beyond. That way when I put the bolt in there, the head not only sits flush, it can actually sit just maybe a 1/64 of an inch under. So we're good to go on that. Okay, this is just a sample one that I keep hanging around for testing, but basically that's what's going on. That fits in there. Then from underneath, that flathead bolt will come up, and there's probably about an extra 1/4 inch of thread on it, which is what I'm looking for. So right now it's still loose, and so then by turning that, that's it. And because this is hardwood, that bolt is going to hold no problem at all, and it can be done over and over and over again. So there is my